directly targets are directly linked with all these activities.
How?
Once this
Let me understand how.
They will see one project and they'll cancel another project. That's why your delivery is not good. They will
See, my target will not be achieved by one single order. I need multiple orders to achieve that one. If I fail in one order or one commitment which I have given to the buyer or the customer, then everything collapses.
We have limited clients, no?
It's a small
We want
world for
repeated
us.
orders.
It's not a kind of an MNC or something.
No, see, company is MNC, but market size,
Market size is less.
it's limited.
So you have
तो limited है तो और चीजें इनफैक्ट easy होनी चाहिए ना.
No, it becomes very complicated.
See from the other side.
See, I will tell you, see ITC and all, you know the companies. ITC, it's a consumer-based product manufacturing company. They are into multiple biscuits and other things. Even take example of Parle-G. The market size is very vast for them. So they are achieving 3,000 crores of turnover for only on the Parle-G. So ours is not like that. It's a limited.
he means to say that you have a fixed kind of a customers in the market, say for example contractors, who are going to buy regularly from you. If you ditch them or fail to make continue commitments, give the good prices, then he will not come back to you in next time. He will go to the other supplier.
We'll definitely have a word on this part in the session itself. I want to make sure that the start of the sale is into my hand. Try to understand what I am here for.
We went to logistics.
Yeah. No, it's okay because I wanted to know, no, what are the issues and concerns. Because when you say these are linked, but you cannot 100% be dependent on those. Sale is a different thing. Sale is an absolutely entry part of the product, right? प्रोडक्ट जब मार्केट में आ रहा है वो एंट्री पार्ट उसका सेल से होगा ना. प्रोडक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस ही नहीं हो रहा है तो कैसे उसका सेल कैसे होगा? Everything comes down to one thing: how you are pitching yourself. Trust me, I'm telling you. Even if the customer is frustrating on you, you are saying it to somebody else. This is something secondary. This is not primary. Without the product into the market, how do you think that the customer is shouting at you? How is it possible? First part comes is the sale part. Knowing yourself first, knowing your product first, and knowing the buyer first. When everybody is saying that I have done my homework and I'm going, homework करके मैं जा रही. A lot of the people don't do that. And I'm sure even if you say with confidence that every meeting that you're doing that, you're not doing that. Every meeting or different homework is required. Every meeting. We feel like ये एक ही इंडस्ट्री के साथ 10 की 10 मीटिंग्स हैं तो मुझे एक बार ही उसको होमवर्क करना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Every director's perspective, every managing director's perspective is absolutely different. Never ever feel like sale is 100% related to the things that is happening in the company. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी problem, issues, concerns are coming related to the management, or we can say something related to the technical or the production part. Sale is different. आपके हाथ में क्या चीज़ आ रही है? Finished product आ रहा है, right? आपको फील्ड पे बैठ के बनाना तो नहीं है. आपके हाथ में बात आ रही है, आपके हाथ में प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है, तो आप प्रोडक्ट के व्यू में सोचिए. These things are happening. I agree. हो रहा है इसलिए आप सब कुछ डिस्कस वगैरह कर रहे हैं. But this is something which is something beneath. This is something too much inside of the company. This is not the upper part. The upper part is the sale part.
His concern is that when he's saying in percentage that 30% or whatever they're doing, if the internal things get smooth, his 90% of the time will be for the customer, not for the follow-ups and discussion. So when I am free from the glitches of the backend, so I can focus more on the front end and meet more people and do whatever the good handshakes and bad handshakes. But if I am somewhere concerned about the other customer, if I have an issue that how can I reply to my 3 contractors who are following up for the deliveries from last 6 days or 10 days, then this create frustration in your mind and you are not able to focus on the meetings.
Got it.
Your time.
This is making sense when you say.
Yeah.
This is absolutely, the level is high of making sense. I understand the kind of constraints that you guys are facing. आपस में ही टीममेट्स में प्रोडक्शन टीम, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टीम, सेल्स टीम, मैनेजिंग रीजनल हेड जो भी आप हो, आपके जो पोस्ट वगैरह, आपस में there is a kind of misunderstanding, there is a kind of mis-systematic thing taking place. Things are not going systematically. Things are not smooth. But when you say about the sales part, that the frustration is coming up or the right kind of mindset we are not having when we are pitching the product, that is what you are trying to say? That is happening, right?
Yes.
It all, I started the session with the same thing. It all starts with the mindset.
Moral, basically.
Morality plays a very important role. It plays a huge role. I'm giving you a break of 5 to 10 minutes. Freshen up and come. The most important part of the sales is coming now. I have come to know everything about your concerns, your issues. Try to unlearn the things that you already have and learn new things that I'm showing you now. Apply the tools and techniques that I'm saying. It all starts with the mindset. If you really want to sacrifice, if you really want to accept change, you have to apply the tools and techniques that I'm giving. It is absolutely effective. It's not theoretical or imaginary. Things you have to apply. We are going to come on to the part of confidence as well, why it is important. Okay? 10 minutes guys. It's 12:10 already, 12:20. You had a tea, right?
Yeah.
Just freshen up and everything. Please come back again.